Google new high a day. Shift change right now. Here we go. Round 2. Fight. MDIA popping off. Hot stock pick MDIA. Starting to run nicely. That's MDIA. Getting a nice move here. Yeah, nice. That's MDIA. Still moving up nicely. MDIA. Still cranking. By the way, I'm holding 10,000 shares of that right now. I'm up $5,000. There's $6,000. MDIA, there's $7,000 selling here. Nice. That should be 6,000 profit there. I'll take it. Forget about it. Am I right? Yeah, it looks like a halt. There it is. There's your halt, ladies and gentlemen. Nice job. Getting ready to unhalt in 10 seconds. Here it goes. We're unhalted on MDIA. New high a day. Woo-wee. Huge sellers at 520. Yep. Massive sellers. MDIA staying up. Move your stops up. 50, 20, 20, 10. Move your stops up. I can't stress that enough. Because there's a lot of sellers sitting around that $5 mark. You hear me?